Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll share with you some tips and tricks about starting your calligraphy and hand lettering journey and also how to do it. Before we step in, hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell so you don't miss another video that can really inspire you. You can also check my Instagram account, Lifestyle with Art, for some more creative content. I'll put the link in the description below. First of all, I want to introduce you some tools that you will need. For the paper, I prefer the one from Rhodia because it is smooth and it helps you in your practice. Also, the pages are detachable, so you can take one and practice on it without being disrupted by the other ones. Then, the first tool that you will need is a simple pencil. I'll recommend you to start by using a pencil, and only after that, if you enjoy the calligraphy practice, to invest in some more professional tools. Then we have these calligraphy pens with nibs. This one is a classical nib holder, and this one is an oblique nib holder. It looks difficult to use it, but personally I prefer it over the classical one. Then for hand lettering, you can use different brush pens and markers. For this video, I've chosen a metallic brush pen, a brush pen from Ecoline, and another one from Artline. Okay, now let's step into the tips and tricks. First tip is to know and to practice the basic strokes. So we have the downstroke and the upper stroke. The downstroke is thicker and you have to apply more pressure to the pen. The upper stroke is thinner and the pencil barely touches the paper. Now with these two types of strokes, you can create shapes like this, and you have to practice them to help you in creating the muscle memory. Let me show you how I write the word music using the Ecoline brush marker. The second tip for improving your lettering is learn how to apply shades. First of all, you have to identify the source of the light. Now let's imagine that here is the sun. That means that the light will come from here and the shades will be created on the bottom and on the right side of each stroke. Let's add them to this word. The third tip for improving your lettering is learn how to do bounce lettering. This is a modern technique and it means that some of the letters are not aligned. They are either smaller or bigger than the writing line. Here you have a small example. And we step into the fourth tip, and that is adding flourishes to your letters for making them more personalized. As an example, I'm writing the capital letter A. These are some small tips for improving your calligraphy and lettering. And please don't forget to enjoy the whole process of practicing calligraphy and not only the final result. If there is something else calligraphy related that you want me to show you, please tell me in the comments and I will be more than happy to make another video. And that was for today's video. Once again, thank you very much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up and tell me your opinions in the comments below. I'll see you next time. Bye!